Hello everyone, my name is Diego Sierra. I'm a system engineering student at the University UNIMINUTO, and this presentation is part of my data architecture course. Today, I'm going to explain my infographic about the difference between a data lake, a data warehouse, and a database. In my infographic, you can see three main sections: the data lake, the data warehouse, and the database. A data lake is used to store large amounts of raw data from many different sources, both structured and unstructured. It allows organizations to keep all their data in one place and process it later when it's needed for analytics, reports, or machine learning. For example, social media, sensor data, log files. As you can see in the margin of the lake, these represent a large open space where all types of data can flow freely. It is very flexible and allows companies to store big data quickly and process it later when needed. However, if the data is not organized, the lake can become a data swan, where information is hard to find and use. In the middle, database. A database is used to store, organize, and manage structured data for daily operations. It gives real-time information such as transactions, your accounts, or product records. Databases are essential for applications that need fast and reliable access to data. For example, customer or employee records. In the image, you can see the database icon, usually shown as a tag disk. A database is used for day-to-day operations and stores the most recent and real-time data. It is highly structured and is the foundation of many applications we use daily. For example, when you buy something in a store or log into that website, that information is stored in a database. Now, data warehouse. A data warehouse is used to collect and organize historical data from different sources. It stores clean and structured information that is ready for analysis and reporting. Companies use data warehouse to make business decisions and discover trends. For example, historical sales trends or performance reports. We can see at the margins the built-in icon representing a data warehouse. This system is designed for business analysis and reporting. It collects data from different systems, organizes it, and optimizes it for decision making. Most of the data here is structured and it's used for companies to gain insights and make strategic decisions. So, a data warehouse is like a well-organized store building that contains clean and reliable data. So, what is the key insight? Here are the key insights from my infographic. The database manages structured data for real-time operations, current operations. The data warehouse keeps clean and organizes data ready for business decisions, business analysis. The data lake stores large amounts of raw, structured, and unstructured data for future analysis, big data innovation. Now, future outlook and Oracle. According to Oracle, in the future none of these technologies will replace the others. Each one will continue to play an important role. The database will keep storing current and structured data. The data warehouse will remain essential for historical analysis and business decisions. And the data lake will become even more important as companies move their big data to the cloud. Oracle calls this combination the modern data warehouse, which unifies data storage, analytics, and data science to get the most value from information. In conclusion, data lakes, data warehouse, and database do not compete with each other, they work together. Each one has a different purpose in modern data architecture. The database manages real-time structured data for daily operations. The data warehouse stores historical, organized data for business analysis, and the data lake keeps large amounts of raw and structured data for future analytics. Together, they form a modern data ecosystem that drives analytics, artificial intelligence, and digital transformation. Finally, the reference. Thank you very much for listening. I hope to see you soon in another video. Goodbye.